Hello everybody and welcome to these two yellow eggs on my channel. They are Majorette mystery blind egg. Now previously I have made a video of these mystery eggs before in red, blue and gray, and I bought a lot of them. But yes, red, blue and gray. Today I have come across yellow eggs, so I am going to show them to you, and I haven't opened them. I don't know what is inside. I know that previously we have a Ford F-150. This is a circus van, and then we have Renault Clio. We also have a Porsche Boxster, Mercedes G63, and a green Lamborghini Huracan. So this is the yellow mystery egg. I hope I will not be disappointed. Let's see what is inside. The color is very striking, unlike the gray color, or the blue is quite dull. So this is quite striking. And we have, ooh, this is nice, orange G63. Now previously when I bought the red egg, it comes with a red G63, so this is orange. Orange is good. It's a recolor, at least. The only downside of Majorette Mercedes G-Class casting is the bonnet opening. This is as far as it would go, and you struggle to see the details in the engine because the opening is so small. Front details, rear details is all there. The spare wheel is plastic. So this is good. Let's put it on the turntable. Put this inside. Close this back up. Next. Okay, I hope it's not the same one. What do you think it is? Suspense. It is the same one. Look. So I have two orange G63. Ta-da! Still better than a fantasy casting. You might recall that okay, I'll put a link in the description of the previous video that I have made of the red, blue and gray egg. You might recall that I have 2 or 3 fantasy casting, which is not very nice. Can't complain. G63. And if it were in the blister package, this would be in the premium series. I hope you like this mystery egg review. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already done so. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.